I'm Claire Gesso, the Royal Realtor with the Orlando Home Squad, brokered by eXp Realty, and welcome to my brand new listing. We are here at 829 Belvoir Drive in the gated community of Royal Ridge in Davenport. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a really awesome pool. Come with me and check it out. Thanks so much for checking out this awesome pool home here in Davenport. With this home, we are less than 2 miles from Posner Park, which has all the shopping, dining, movie theater, anything you could ask for, it is there. And also, we are only 30 minutes from all of the Disney parks. So if you want to come check it out, give me a call, Claire Gesso with the Home Squad, and I will get you in to see it.